Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Pad. Firstly, open Play Store on both and get free app code Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, open it. In order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Begin by tapping on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then close it by hitting OK. And select Close in the white pop-up at the top. Now you can rotate your device if it's not rotating like mine. And select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Following that, you can use all of those categories available on an Android to choose files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. You can also just click on the couple of files, in my case this one picture. Tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on OnePlus. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. And point your tablet's camera at the code. You can also input this key by tapping on Input key section. Typing in all of those numbers before they expire. And connect thanks to a Receive button. So when I click on it, I can see that my photos were successfully sent. If you see this kind of pop-up, you need to decide what you do with your apps. In order to personalize them, choose Yes, I agree. If you don't want to do that, just click on No thanks. Wherever you decided, tap on Close this window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!